A Greek island where cars are completely banned. Greece. There is a beautiful island of Greece called Hydra where normal vehicles are completely banned except for fire brigade and ambulance. The beauty of this place is the blue water around has been made from the leaves of this magical plant. This drug is not only cheap but can kill insects on the most important food crops. Worldwide, 20 to 40% of crops are destroyed by insects every year. This leads to food shortages and increases in prices while the labor of the farmer is reduced. Cars are completely banned in Hydra, which has been given legal status. Approaching this island of 2,500 people by sea, you'll find horses, donkeys, and mules to guide you to your destination. People here also go about their business thanks to this ride. The crop-eating insects ran away and the crop remains strong. Approaching insects have also been observed dying. For further research, aloe vera peels were dried and analyzed, and an important chemical, dichloromethane, DCM, was found in it, while some amounts of methanol and hexane were also found. The compound was found to destroy the ability of insects to walk, eat, and reproduce. Interestingly, the naturally occurring chemical is completely harmless not only to the farmer but also to humans who eat the crop. Katya has now become a hummingbird expert and her social media accounts are also becoming incredibly popular. Katya says that she will take care